Investing in the stock market has always been a great way to grow your wealth. One of the most accessible investments are penny stocks, which are shares that trade at a low price compared to other stocks in the market. This type of stock is meant for more risk-tolerant investors who are willing to invest in smaller companies with less liquidity and higher volatility. As long as you understand the risks involved, penny stocks can be a profitable investment. In this video, we'll provide you with 5 top penny stocks to invest in right now, and we will share with you some tips to maximize your profits while keeping losses at a minimum. So make sure to watch the video till the end. I'll put all the chapters in the description below, each one with its time code. But before we get started, please take a brief moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Penny stocks provide an excellent investment option for those looking for ways to earn passive income. With penny stock investing, you can build wealth as long as you practice the right investing practices and avoid falling for scams. Although penny stocks come with certain risks that any beginner should be aware of. If done correctly, penny stock investing can generate significant returns over time, providing a great source of passive income. Experienced investors will be able to take advantage of this market by understanding the basics and taking advantage of specialized research tools to generate potential returns on their investments in the long run. Here is a list of the 5 best penny stocks to buy now. Number 5, Geron Corporation. Geron Corporation, located in Foster City, California, is a biotechnology company. It makes cancer drugs that block telomeres. During the third fiscal quarter, Geron Corporation reported revenue of $0.3 million, an increase of 172.7% over revenue in the same period a year earlier. On October 28, Wedbush analyst Robert Driscoll began hedging Geron Corporation, giving it an outperform rating and a price target of $5. The analyst expects ongoing Phase 3 research into low-risk myelodysplastic syndrome (RLMR) to yield encouraging results in early 2023. Geron Corporation's strong growth prospects make it one of the best penny stocks to invest in. As of November 22, 2022, RA Capital Management is the largest shareholder of Geron Corporation in our database and holds a stake worth over $70.5 million. Number 4, Clover Health Investments Corporation. Clover Health Investments Corporation, headquartered in Franklin, Tennessee, is a physician services company. As of December 20th, the stock is trading at $1.06 and is ranked among the best penny stocks to buy now. Given the strength of its balance sheet, Clover Health Investments Corp has the potential to increase long-term earnings. On August 9th, the company released its results for the third quarter of 2022. Revenue for this period was $856.8 million, up 100.6% from the previous quarter of the same period of the previous year. Citi analyst Jason Casorla lowered his price target on Clover Health Investments Corporation stock from $3.50 to $1.80 on November 16, while maintaining a neutral recommendation on the stock. The number of hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey with stakes in Clover Health Investments Corporation rose to 17 in the third quarter of 2022, from 11 in the previous quarter. The collective value of these holdings is nearly $19.7 million. Number 3, Ardelyx Incorporated. One of the best penny stocks to invest in is a biopharmaceutical company. On November 17, shares of Ardelyx gained 40% when the FDA Advisory Board approved tenapanor as a treatment for kidney disease. Following this, Piper Sandler analyst Christopher Raymond upgraded Ardelyx Incorporated stock from neutral to overweight with a price target of $8. Ardelyx Incorporated was among 19 hedge fund portfolios in the third quarter of 2022, according to data from Insider Monkey. The stakes held by these hedge funds have a total value of more than $42.4 million. Deep Track Capital was the company's largest shareholder in the third quarter. Number 2, Pitney Bowes Incorporated. Pitney Bowes Incorporated provides shipping, global e-commerce logistics, courier and financial services. In 2021, the company had approximately 750,000 customers worldwide. The company is well ranked among the best penny stocks to buy now. Given its financial stability and prospects for expansion, the company has the potential to increase earnings over the long term. On November 4, Pennies Incorporated declared a quarterly dividend of 5 cents per share, in line with the previous one. On December 20, the company's dividend yield was 5.19%. At the end of the third quarter of 2022, 22 hedge funds held stakes in Pennies Incorporated. The total value of these interests was $35.7 million. As of November 22, D.E. Shaw is the largest investor in Pennies Incorporated and holds a position worth $10 million. Number 1, Gossamer Bio Incorporated. The number of hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey with stakes in Gossamer Bio Incorporated rose to 33 in the third quarter of 2022, from 23 in the previous quarter. The collective value of these holdings is nearly $401 million. It's one of the best penny stocks to buy now according to elite hedge funds. Gossamer Bio Incorporated is a biopharmaceutical company. Its main objective is to discover, develop and commercialize treatments for diseases related to inflammation, immunology and oncology. On December 8, H.C. Wainwright analyst Patrick Trucchio maintained his buy rating on Gossamer Bio Incorporated stock and lowered his price target from $25 to $5. Trucchio updated its price target as results from TORREY, a phase 2 study to assess the efficacy and safety of inhaled seralutinib in the treatment of pulmonary arterial hypertension, fell short of expectations. This concludes our list of the top 5 penny stocks to buy now. Before going further in this video, I just want to remind you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. This really encourages me and gives me the necessary motivation to continue to publish 3 videos per week. Most penny companies are just getting started and set up or bought a shell company because it was more affordable than an IPO. This does not necessarily mean that they are a bad investment. This should allow you to have realistic expectations about the type of company in which you plan to invest. XYZ trades 1 million shares one day and does not trade the rest of the week. In order for you to enter and exit the trade at an acceptable rate of return, the penny stock must have constant volume. If there is no volume, you may end up with dead money. The only way to get rid of stocks is to sell them at the bid price. It is completely normal to see a young company operating at a loss. If the company knows how to generate profits, it can use the funds to grow its business and increase shareholder value. You'll have to do some research to find these companies with a higher potential for success, but when you do, you reduce the risk of losing your capital and dramatically increase your chance of a return. Penny stocks are very volatile. They can climb quickly and tumble as fast as they climbed. If you bought the shares at 10 cents and sold them at 12 cents, you got a 20% return on your investment. If you lose 5 times in a row, you will lose all of your capital. Many investors learn about penny stocks through a mailing list or website. There are also many fake stocks created for the purpose of pumping and selling. The creators, as well as insiders, will source the shares and then start pumping them to unsuspecting newsletter subscribers or website visitors, who will end up with the dead shares once the sale is complete. The last advice I can give you is not to invest more than 20% of your capital in penny stocks. Remember that the goal of investing is to make money while preserving your capital over the long term. Set aside 20%, and if that amount grows, you'll have more than enough capital to earn a good rate of return. Set aside 20% of your capital, and if that amount grows, you'll have more than enough capital to earn a good rate of return. Here we are at the end of the video. I really hope you liked it and you found it helpful. If you want me to make a video specially dedicated to the penny stocks, where we're gonna see in detail what a penny stock is, what are the risks of investing in that kind of stock, and also the advantages and some strategies to avoid those risks, comment penny stock down below in the comment section.